In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add collections to Shopify homepage. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you are in your admin dashboard, look at the menu on the left side. Find Online Store, and then click Themes. This is where you control the design of your storefront and make changes to your homepage layout. On the Themes page, make sure you are working on your active theme, since that is the one customers see. Next to the active theme, click the button that says Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor, where you can add, remove, and rearrange sections on your homepage. Now focus on the left sidebar inside the editor. This area shows the structure of your homepage. Click Add Section. A list of available sections will appear. From that list, select Collection List. As soon as you add it, you will see a new section appear in the sidebar, and a preview of it will show on the right side. Next, you will connect the collections you want to feature. Inside the new Collection List section, click one of the individual collection blocks. When you click into the block settings, choose Select Collection, then pick the collection you want to display. This can be something like a seasonal category, a bestsellers collection, or any group you have already created in Shopify. After you set the first one, repeat the same process for the other collection blocks in the list. Click each block, click Select Collection, and choose the next collection you want shown. Take a moment to match the order to how you want customers to browse, since the layout on your homepage will follow the order of these blocks. When your collections are selected, you can position the entire section on the homepage. Click and hold the small dotted handle next to the section. Then drag it up or down in the left sidebar until it sits where you want it to appear on the page. Watch the preview update as you move it so you can place it in a logical spot. Finally, click Save to publish your changes. That covers everything you need to know.